Hello, Mr. Dutton here, and I'm going to try to explain why you should study physics at Meadowhead. Now, the course that we do is a full A-level and is OCR Physics A. But why should you study physics at all? Well, physics is basically the study of everything, from the largest of galaxies to the smallest of subatomic particles. A-level physics covers it all. And physics is crucial for understanding how the world works. And sciences like chemistry, oceanography, seismology, all have their basis in physics. Now, physics has also led to great engineering and technology innovations. So things like computers and lasers all have their basis in physics. And we use these things all the time, and they've led to great benefits in our lives. Now, why specifically should you study A-level physics at Meadowhead? Well, there's 4 amazing teachers with a variety of physics backgrounds and careers. If you like practicals, then you will like A-level physics because you get to use equipment and have to use equipment that you don't get to use at GCSE. In terms of results, in 2019, students left with a plus 1.35 value added, which basically means they nearly got 1.5 grades better than they were expected at GCSE. And that put us in the top 10% of centres for studying physics in the country. Last year, we got a plus 1.75 value added, and that was backed up by the mock exam results. Now, the physics team is Mr. Bates, who's the head of physics. You've got Mr. Mason, you've got myself, Mr. Dutton, and Dr. Morton. Please speak to us if you have any questions about A-level physics that isn't answered in this video. Now, the entry requirements is 2 6s in science. Okay, now this can be from triple science or combined. You will also need at least a grade 5 in maths because the maths level in A-level physics is quite demanding. Here's what you study across the 2 years of A-level physics. So topics coming from forces, motion, electricity, photons, medical physics are all covered across the 2 years of study. The course is assessed. If you're doing AS, which not many students do, you have 2 papers at the end of year 12. And if you go to study the full A-level physics, you have 3 exams at the end of year 13. And A-level physics leaves you with so many career options. Employers and universities really value A-level physics. And physics can start your career in things like journalism, law, computer science, economics, accounting, some of those which you might not think A-level physics has anything to do with. But physics A-level students are problem solvers, and physicists are problem solvers, and employers and universities love problem solvers. And here's just a few things that previous A-level physics students have gone on to study. So there's some amazing university and courses that previous students have gone on to do. And just a little bit of additional information. Most A-level physics students also study A-level maths because there is a very heavy mathematical side to the A-level physics. And in fact, quite a lot of the content is common from A-level physics and A-level maths. And we do recommend maths because, especially if you want to study engineering or physics later at university level, A-level maths is actually essential. Now, if you have any more questions, please do contact Mr. Bates. He's batesl@meadowhead.sheffield.sch.uk. Again, ask any of the physics teachers, and all the best with the rest of Year 11. Thank you for listening.